Donald Trump. You done messed up, Lando. What are you doing, guys? See this bullshit. Now, read this, everybody. We need to deport all blacks back to Africa. Black people are lazy and filthy human beings. What, nigga? I said, what, nigga? You bugging the fuck out. Let's get to you. Let's get to you. Let's look at you. Look. Oh. Ow. It's not over. It's not over. Ow. Fucking herpes. Wait. Why the face? Ah. Look like a dog named Billy. What? Ow. Want a carrot? What the fuck are you doing? Wait. Stop right here, y'all. Donald Trump, you really got some motherfucking nerve, homie. Talk about sending all blacks to Africa. Fuck you talk about it from Africa. And second of all, fucking big old uncooked biscuit egg. What the fuck are you doing? You like a fat white lady. You saying fuck, and I'm saying fuck. Don't make me have to look for your ass. Keep talking that bullshit. You keep talking all that bullshit. I'm gonna have to get my 38. Now, wait, nut, chill. Wait, I ain't gonna chill. Now, this nigga wildin'. But wait, it's not over. A 3, a 2, a 1. I'm back. Boom. Yo, wait. I can't take it. Wait. Boom. Fucking donut head. Yo, everybody share this shit. Coming from who? That what are you doing, guy?